So for the longest time, I've been questioning my life choices regarding this chair and its position. So now I'm going to take a leap of faith to rearrange it for this month and actually see if I enjoy staying there, like staying in the new position for a month. If I don't, then I'll rearrange it in December. But if I do, best believe it's staying that way. So let's arrange this chair together.
You know I'm sexy. I'm called.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
Hello, welcome back to my channel.
They call me sassy.
Welcome to a new month reset. I'm sorry I'm filming this at night. I tried filming it during the day, but I didn't really like the clip I got from it, so I'm just going to film it again. Hopefully I say things that I said in the beginning and I add things I missed out in the beginning. All right, let's go. Reviewing my month of October. Let's review the month of October. So for the month of October, the overall finance that I set to spend was £217, but I exceeded it by £500. I exceeded by £500, and this is because I forgot to include my data allowance, my water allowance, my gas allowance. So for my water I spent £60. For my data I spent about £60 too. For my gas I spent about £70-80, not sure. Anyway, so that's there. And then I had some unplanned finances too. I registered for the gym. To register for the gym I spent about £32. And then what else did I spend that was unaccounted for? To be honest, I can't remember, but yeah, I spent quite a number of, like, quite a lot, to be honest. I spent quite a lot this past few months, and yeah. And then my personal goal, one of it was to take a 30 to 60 minutes walk every day. I did that because I had to walk to the gym every single day. The next one was to stick to a skincare routine. I did that because of my 75 hard. I included having a skincare routine. And then for my finished the 4-hour work week, I finally finished this book. Okay, and then for my career goals, I had upload 10 hair content. I exceeded that. Sell 10 person nails. I did not do that. Gain 10 subscribers. You guys, in the last 48 hours I've gained more than 10 subscribers, and I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. All right, so next is upload 10 Halloween nail videos. I uploaded only one. I have 2 left, but I'm not uploading that because I realized that I had so much going on. So I decided to put the Halloween videos on a pause and on a no go, basically, because after Halloween I can't upload them again. The next was upload 10 food videos. I believe I surpassed 10 food videos, so we're on a roll. And finally I created my November theme. So as you can see, November kind of represents winter. It's giving some blue and white aesthetic, giving Elsa from Frozen, because I love it. Okay, so here I've kind of highlighted, marked important dates: my sibling's birthday, my dad's birthday, my auntie's birthday, and my grandpa's birthday. So I've highlighted important dates, and then I've also put down some upload schedules for the next 2 weeks. This is because I already have these videos filmed, so that one is certain that I'm going to post them. And then the next 2 weeks in the month of November, I have nothing planned, but hopefully things come through and I end up being consistent. You guys pray for me. And then for my goals, I have saved £1,000 for a camera. You guys, I've been putting my camera on hold for the longest time, and I think it's time for an upgrade because my phone has had it with me. The battery health is horrible. I can't really do things that I really want to do because I'm always filming on my phone. So I have to like transfer things to my laptop if I want to look at them while filming. So I just want to, you know, have a camera, and I also want to improve the quality of my content. So that's why I'm going to get a camera by myself with my own money. It's going to be a birthday gift to myself, so pray for me. Pray that I actually get a camera for my birthday. Next is balance work and life, because I'm starting work on Monday, so I want to have a balance in between my 75 hard and my normal lifestyle and my work as well, because I honestly don't know. My work is not normal 9 to 5. It's actually 10 to 7. It's 10 to 7 and 11 to 5. So basically my work is scattered, so I want to be able to balance that with my actual lifestyle. And then I have expenses that I already broke down. This time around I broke it down to the T, and hopefully I don't exceed this spending. So first is £45 on data. I finally found out that I could get unlimited data after a very long time that I've been spending close to £100 a month on data. I finally realized that I could get unlimited and still have the same benefits. So next is £45 on data, £120 on food, £40 on my water supply, £70 on my electricity, £120 on transport, and £30 on miscellaneous, which totals up to £425. You guys pray for me that I actually do not overspend this month, because last month I went £300 past my budget, and this month I hope I don't go another £300 past my budget. My October lows, I think one of my October lows is actually realizing the fact that I'm an adult, I need money, and I cannot keep on asking my dad for money every single time I'm broke. So that's why I started uploading regularly. That's why I started doing a lot of things. And oh yeah, another October low for me is realizing that I'm actually not going home for Christmas this year. I'm not going to Nigeria this year for Christmas. So yeah, that's about it for my lows. And my highs in the month of October. Did I have a high? I didn't have a high, but I'm going to try to be grateful for my life for the month of October. And let's just say a high will be actually getting to day 30 of my 75 hard because it's not easy, my dear. Okay. Oh yeah, my high. I got a plant. I got a plant. See, that's the thing. Like for October, I was so self-absorbed that I actually did not experience anything outside like my current state of mind. Like my current state of mind is more like I need to hustle, I need money, I need money, I need money, I need money. Like I didn't think any other thing apart from I need money. Like literally, the month of October, all I was thinking of was I need money, I need money, I need money. Literally.
You held me back when I tried to move on from your life. So you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here. Cause I'm mad, show no fear. Wanna let you know just how it felt. Oh no, 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 no. Don't you think we're good? There's no way we could be. No, oh no, 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 no. I know the way you look at me. I know it too well. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let me touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down.
So I pull up on the night, I'm away.
Yeah, I'm bulletproof. We've been up, we've been down, trying to figure things out. End up losing myself in it. But I'm done being dumb. Gotta end it all now. I won't ever turn it round again. Oh no, 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 no. Don't you think we're good? There's no way we could be. No, oh no, 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 no. I know the way you look at me. I know it too well. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone,
Anyway,
but I'm flying high.
this is going to be the book for the month of October. I'm already in chapter 4. So, once this book finishes, I'll start another one. The plan this year was to finish 6 books this year. So far I finished one this month. Oh yeah, so far I finished 3, so I have 3 more books to go. Hopefully I'll finish this one on time so I can start the 5th book and then start the 6th book. And who knows, I'll actually get to my goal for this year. So that's basically it. Anyway, that's it for the new month reset. Hope you guys enjoyed it and see you guys in my next video. Oh. You know what? I'll impede the other clip instead, okay? Bye.
Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me.